So my brother-in-law was a handyman for a long time, and he recommended Jay. He knew of him, he liked him, and when I needed an air conditioning guy and a plumbing guy, he recommended Jay. He came out to do some work at my house and my girlfriend's house, and I liked him. He was very candid, he was honest, had great customer service, showed up on time, did the work on budget. I was impressed, so I've continued to use him for the last 10, 12 years. He's been very creative in finding solutions. When I needed a new air conditioning unit for my wine closet behind me, he not only decided to put in a mini split, but when that didn't quite work on its own, he came up with the idea of using a CoolBot, which hadn't really been used much before for wine closets. And it's worked great. Had it several years now, no issues at all. Anytime I have air conditioning issues or plumbing issues, Jay's my first call. He's also done work for my adult children at both their houses. Yeah, I would definitely recommend Jay, and have over the last 10 years.